How to buy Ethereum on Binance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily purchase Ethereum in different ways in Binance. So in order to get Ethereum in Binance, you first need to go ahead and open up your account and make sure that you're logged in. The very important step here is to verify your account, so make sure you have a verified account. Then the first thing you can do is simply click on the P2P option here, and then from here, on the deposit option right on top, you can tap on it and search for Ethereum here. And from the P2P option, you could just go ahead and click on buy. And on the top, you can see different cryptos like USDT, BTC, BNB, and ETH. You head over to the ETH tab, that is Ethereum, and you can just click on buy from any of these traders. This is the first method. The second method you could do is deposit crypto directly. So if you tap on deposit and search for Ethereum here, or use the navigation bar at the side with the alphabets, you can find Ethereum, and from there you could just go ahead and share this to a sender, and they'll be able to send Ethereum to your account. The other thing you can do is convert your Ethereum. So select any coin that you have on your account, and on the to option, you make sure to select to Ethereum. Select the amount and then tap on convert. And once your conversion is complete, you should be able to get some Ethereum to your account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.